Welcome back. In this video, we will be looking at motion sensors, their different types, and some of their super interesting applications. So, if you are ready, let's get started. A motion sensor is a device that detects moving objects within a specified area, typically by emitting a signal, like an ultrasonic wave, microwave, or a radio wave, and then measuring the frequency of the reflected signal off moving objects. Any change in frequency would signal the presence of a moving object. These three types of sensors, ultrasonic, microwave, and radio wave, are known as active sensors, as they actively send a signal into the environment and look for motion. Besides these, there are other types of motion sensors, such as passive infrared or PIR sensors, which detect body heat of animals and humans. They are called passive as no energy is emitted from the sensor. Let's now explore the key specifications to check for when choosing a motion sensor. When selecting a sensor, consider its type, whether PIR or an ultrasonic, microwave, or radio sensor, its range, and the environment it will be used in. For instance, PIR sensors are great for low-energy applications like home automation. Let's now look at these and some other applications of motion sensors in a little more detail. A big use case for motion sensors is in building and home automation. The automatic opening of doors in retail and commercial buildings is usually achieved by the application of motion sensors. For home automation, imagine a smart home with a smart security device installed at the entrance. As soon as a motion is detected on the motion sensor, the vision sensor is turned on. The vision sensor checks if the person at the door is a resident of the house, and if so, opens the front entrance door. Other motion sensors inside the house turn on lights, fans, and air conditioners automatically as you walk through a room, and switch them off if there is no motion in the room for, let's say, 2 minutes, enhancing energy efficiency and convenience. When the house is empty, these motion sensors turn into a security system that alerts you if and when there's an unexpected movement in the house. Similar safety, security, and automation systems can be set up in factories as well. If someone goes too near a blast furnace in a steel factory or too near a hazardous chemical in a chemical factory, motion sensor can detect movements and sound an alarm. If someone tries to break in during the night, again, an alarm can go off, and the security team can be notified in real time. In fact, we are going to build something similar for our final project at the end of this course. Another application is in autonomous systems and robotics. Industrial robots are usually big and bulky and work with high precision and speed. To prevent people from going too near and getting hurt, a perimeter can be set up with motion sensors. As soon as a motion is detected, the robot can be put in standby mode or switched off, preventing possible injury. In fact, as we move towards a world with home robots, where robots and humans cohabitate side by side, such a mechanism could be set up in these autonomous systems as well. And that is all for this video. In the next video, we will look at humidity sensors. See you there.